I'm Alex Dahlgren with the Ancon Group. Tankless water heaters have become very popular in the past few years, providing limitless hot water at a very low cost. However, many people are unaware that these machines do require maintenance. Minerals in your water will cause scale buildup inside the plumbing and on the valves that function inside the water heater. As little buildup as 3/32 of an inch can cause these machines to become 30 to 40% less effective at heating water, or cause them to stop working altogether. Contact the plumber that preferably installed the machine, or the plumber with whom you work with on your property, and have the machines checked. Descaling will take between 2 to 3 hours to complete, and you'll want to set up a regular maintenance program to determine how often this should be done in your property. That will vary depending upon your water conditions and the usage of the machine. If you have any questions, contact me, alex.dahlgren at theancongroup.com.